Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about which indoor plants thrive in low light. Well, if you have a 70s house like I do, the kitchen has lots of light, and we've got 2 windows. But the living room is kind of a sunken living room, and there's only windows on one side where it really lights up. And we have trees, so it's kind of a dark room, and I've killed so many houseplants in there. But I've found a few that'll survive really well. This plant is a great one. It's called a pathos, and it's a vine, and you can just use it in a hanging basket, or you can put it right into a container, and it'll grow really well. I've also done well with my dracaenas, which Lucky Bamboo is actually a dracaena, and I put it into the window that's the lightest, and it survived really well for me, and I've been very surprised that it hasn't had a lot of light. Another plant called the nerve plant, or colias, has done well for me too. And I never forget my Christmas cactus. Christmas cactuses or zygos do really well with low light, and they'll surprise you with blooms in Christmas time. So they're a wonderful plant that is very drought tolerant too. You can pretty much ignore it, water it here and there, and it'll survive. Spider plants and cyclamen and Dieffenbachias have also done well for me. And you'll be surprised, if you do have some artificial light, even plants that normally don't survive in low light will do much better. And you can try these plants, and you'll find that even if you have a house that doesn't have a lot of light, you can enjoy houseplants in your house.